Before watching the video, do not forget to subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button below and clicking the bell icon to be notified whenever we upload new video. In today's video, we will discuss the benefits of taro water for skin and the methods to use it for skin whitening, preventing acne and black spots. Using the taro water will make your skin bright, white, and it will also help to remove the acne. Taro is a starchy root vegetable with Southeast Asian and Indian origins. It is well known for its adaptable flavor and texture and is a common element in many international cuisines. Taro is made of a white, starchy interior and a brown, hairy skin. Its texture and flavor are frequently compared to potatoes, but it also has a mildly sweet and nutty flavor. Taro is enriched in fiber, potassium, and vitamin E. Additionally, it is a good source of magnesium, vitamin B6, and vitamin C. Taro is an excellent complement to a balanced diet because it is free of gluten and has few calories and fat. Since ancient times, taro water has been utilized as a traditional treatment for a number of ailments, including enhancing skin health and complexion. The use of taro water for skin care and whiteness has been studied scientifically, and one study has revealed that the root has potential advantages, including moisturizing the skin, decreasing inflammation, and preventing acne. Taro root also has natural enzymes that can aid in exfoliation and the removal of dead skin cells, revealing a skin tone that is brighter and more even. It also possesses arbutin, a substance with skin lightening characteristics that can aid in the fading of hyperpigmentation and dark spots. Rich in nutrients, vitamin A and C. Vitamin A, vitamin C, and antioxidants are just a few of the components found in abundance in taro root. In addition to preventing acne, premature aging, and the formation of fine lines and wrinkles, vitamin A is crucial for good skin. Vitamin C aids in defending the skin against deterioration brought on by environmental causes like pollution and UV rays. Antioxidants aid in scavenging dangerous free radicals that can hurt the skin and accelerate aging. Moisturizing properties. Taro water has moisturizing characteristics, which is one of its key advantages for skin care. The high water content of taro root aids in moisturizing and nourishing the skin. This can aid in avoiding dryness, flakiness, and other skin issues that can cause discomfort and irritability. Taro water also includes starches and other substances that can aid in retaining moisture and reducing skin water loss. Anti-inflammatory properties. Taro water's anti-inflammatory capabilities are another possible advantage for skin care. People with sensitive skin or skin that is prone to acne will benefit from the chemicals found in taro root, which can aid to reduce skin irritation and redness. Additionally, taro root extract has been shown in certain studies to help stop the development of acne-causing bacteria, which can help to stop outbreaks and encourage cleaner, brighter, and healthier skin. Hydration properties. It aids in retaining moisture and guards against dryness, which can cause skin to seem lifeless and dull. How to use. There are numerous methods to use taro water in your beauty routine if you're interested in utilizing it for skin care. It can be used directly on the skin as a toner or face mist. Methods. 1. Facial mist with taro water. Until it is tender, boil a taro root in water. Transfer the liquid to a spray bottle after straining it. After cleansing your face, and as needed throughout the day, you can spray the mist on your face to moisturize and rejuvenate your skin. 2. Face mask made from taro root. Combine 2 teaspoons of mashed taro root with 1 tablespoon each of honey and plain yogurt. Apply the mixture to your face, then let it sit there for 15 to 20 minutes. Wash your skin in warm water, then pat it dry. 3. Taro root cream. Soften a taro root by boiling it. The root should be mashed and combined with a spoonful of coconut oil. Put the mixture on your skin and let it sit there for 10 to 15 minutes. Wash your skin in warm water, then pat it dry. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. We would love to hear your thoughts, so please leave your comments in the section below. If you're new to our channel, consider subscribing and turning on the notification bell to receive updates on our latest videos. Thank you for watching.